Hi, I'm Robin with treesmom.com, and we're making a video for Expert Village today. We're crocheting wire to make a Christmas bracelet, and this is what we've gotten so far. We've just put our snowman in the middle. We have our snowflake on the end for our clasp and the buttonhole on this end. And now we're going to talk about deciding where to put your decorations. You have your snowman in the middle, so you may want to put some other snowflakes on each side of the snowman. So one thing that would be good is to put your bracelet on the table, on your work surface, and decide maybe a snowman on each side of the snowman, little tiny snowflakes on each side of that, and then you'll know that that's where you want to put them on your bracelet. You can also decide where to put a candy cane, and we have these little teeny tiny faceted red beads. They're just plastic beads that we're going to use for the candy cane. We're going to alternate the red ones and the white ones. You also need to decide if you're going to have different color of Christmas ornaments on your bracelet, or if you just want to use the red and the green, the faceted. And this would be a good time to do that now.